There we go. Yay for me sucking at YouTube. Woo! Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today I am actually really excited. I am doing this look right here, which is Autumn Spice. Oh, okay. And we are going to be using the very dirty on the outside, sorry, BH Cosmetics Glam Reflection Palette in Gilded. And look at these shades. Oh my gosh, they're so pretty. So I did Autumn Spice, and I used the really intense dark colors because when I think of spices, I think of just like dark, sultry, exotic. So I went spicy with it. We're going spicy. And yes, it's very smoky, but if you guys want to see this video, then just keep watching. To start this Autumn Spice look, which is extremely smoky, so if you guys don't want it this smoky, just don't bring the brown color as high and kind of leave it a little bit lower, and maybe do more of that peach color instead of this brown as high up. So, but I am going intense because it's Autumn Spice. We're sugar, spice, and everything nice in this tutorial. So with a large fluffy brush, and this is the JH32, I'm going in with this peach shade right here. And I'm going to be putting this in the transition, but I'm going to be going kind of high with it. So I did all that with just one dip of the brush, and I'm gonna do one more dip, but I mean, that's pigmented. Now I'm actually gonna go in with the brown, and I am bringing that really high, and I'm making it kind of like this V shape. And this brush doesn't have a name. I'm actually doing a video. This was in one of my aesthetics kits for school. So it came with a thing of brushes, and they're actually really nice. I'm going to be doing a video on a makeup look using everything in my aesthetics kit, so keep an eye out for that. Subscribe if you haven't already, because that's the only way you'll see that video. And I am bringing this up high because I really want to lift my eye with this look, and very smoky. Alright, so now I'm going to be going in with this peach shade right here, and I'm going to softly blend out this top line together and create more of this, I don't know what color that would be. It's a really pretty color. Peach brown. So I'm going in with a JH37 to do that, and this is just her smaller blending brush. Now I am not going down into the brown. I'm just going right along that edge there with this peach color. And the softer you blend, the more you can build it up and fuse those two colors together. Now I'm actually going to connect this lower lash line real quick, just to give it more of a seamless transition. And I'm going with the JH40, which is this teeny tiny blending brush, and I am going into this peach shade right here, and I'm just going to swoop this all underneath the lash line. And I'm bringing this color quite far down because I really want to connect it to that peach right up there. Alright, now I'm going in with this little tiny skinny dense brush and I'm gonna connect that brown. And I'm only bringing the brown in halfway. I'm just gonna blend out these edges a little bit more and then we're gonna come back with that center color. And I am using the original brush that I did the transition color with, the JH32, and I'm just going to softly blend these outside edges. Now for this lid color, I'm going over the entire lid all the way over to this brown. I'm going to be going in with this beautiful purple shade here. I put on that purple shade and I'm going to spray it with Fix Plus because we want this to be super intense. And I'm going over the entire lid with this. Okay, so that's all over the lid. It is so pretty. Alright, so now I'm going in with that brown again just to kind of soften this edge here. And I'm just going to swoop a little bit over here to this inner corner. There we go. Perfect. Beautiful. Alright, now I'm going to go ahead and put on mascara. Alright, I am lining the waterline with a brown eyeliner. Any brown eyeliner will do. So there's the eyes, and they are very intense. Autumn Spice is fitting. Alright, so now I am just going to do, I've already done my base, my contour. Now I'm just going to do the blush and the highlight, and we will be finished. Oh, and lipstick. Duh. For the blush, I'm going in with the BH Cosmetics Nude Blush 10 Color Blush Palette. And I think I want to do with this look, I think I'm going to go in with this center color here. These are the prettiest blushes! Oh my gosh. These are beautiful blushes! I love them so much! For the highlighter, I'm going to go into the Tarteist Pro Glow, and I'm actually going to do my inner corner with this too, because I haven't done that in my brow bone. And I think for this look, I'm going to go in with this top shade here, which is Strobe. Alright, I think it's between these two. Nude, peachy nude. I'm gonna go nude today, y'all. Well, there is the look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys like this video, comment, give a thumbs up. Let me know if you would like to see another look with that palette because, oh, it's so pretty for fall. And keep an eye out for the swatch video that I will be posting of this liquid catsuit. And I have a ton of them in this basket right here. I don't know if you can see them all. I'm going to be swatching all of these in another video, so keep an eye out for that. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye! Oh, oops, I forgot something, y'all. On this eye, I actually dabbed a little bit of this orange right up here in the center. And you guys, I forgot to highlight the inner corner. I'm just all out of it right now. Ugh, whatever. Let me highlight the inner corner real quick. There we go. Yay for me sucking at YouTube. Woo!
Okay. Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah?
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
No, no, no. That's Mommy's, not yours. With a brush that I lost. Video's over. Can't find the brush. Seriously, where is the brush? I lost it. It's gone. There it is. And the brush that I used for that, lips. What to do for lips? Ah!